The iPhone mini won't be returning, according to rumors. And you think that's a mistake. There are reportedly no current plans for another iPhone mini. The last mini model launched in September 2021. 1 in 5 readers say sub 6 inches is the best phone size. The last mini phone we saw from Apple was the 5.4-inch iPhone 13 mini, which launched in September 2021 and was replaced by the 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Plus. And it seems unlikely that Apple is going to bring back a smaller iPhone model anytime soon. Bloomberg reporter Mark Gurman, who is usually a reliable source when it comes to Apple, said in a live Q&A via McRumors that Apple has really shifted away from smaller form factors and that its engineers are not working on a smaller iPhone right now. The current iPhone lineup comprises the 6.1-inch iPhone 16, the 6.7-inch iPhone 16 Plus, the 6.3-inch iPhone 16 Pro, and the 6.9-inch iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you want anything smaller than 6.1 inches in terms of display size, you're out of luck. Gurman did say Apple might one day reconsider their position if market pressures change, but don't expect anything for the foreseeable future. This year, the iPhone 16 Plus is predicted to be replaced by the iPhone 17 Air, possibly with the same screen size. Should Apple reconsider? Apple never said anything officially, but market reports suggested the iPhone 13 mini wasn't a great seller, which most likely sealed its fate. But according to many readers, the iPhone 13 mini was the perfect size for a smartphone. We ran a poll on the WhatsApp channel asking you what your favorite phone screen size was. Top of the pile with 241 votes out of 799, 31%, was the largest size besides foldables. Phones 6.9 inches or bigger, such as the iPhone 16 Pro Max. In second place, however, were phones with screens under 6 inches in size, like, for example, the iPhone 13 mini. This size got 171 votes, 21%. But unfortunately for small phone fans, it's getting harder and harder to find more compact handsets. Clearly, not enough of the people who liked smaller-sized handsets went out and bought an iPhone 13 mini, and Apple has taken note. If you fall into that category, you could try a flip foldable like the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 instead.